Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation from OCL Architectural Lighting. Founded in St. Louis in 1973, OCL offers custom, modified, and standard lighting solutions for a wide range of architectural applications. With our custom capabilities, we help designers realize their unique design visions by offering cost-effective modifications to our standard products, or by developing custom fixtures. Knowing that design decisions are driven by schedules, we provide timely and complete responses to customer inquiries. We offer a wide selection of standard products, from traditional bowls and sconces to innovative architectural forms. And most importantly, we are known for our quality, with attention to aesthetic design and durability. OCL is known for offering top-tier quality. For lasting aesthetics, we use extra material in our extrusions and castings to provide unyielding forms. And our designs guard against debris settling on diffusing surfaces. The result is sustained aesthetics, designs that will resist visible aging and deliver extended life. Each year, OCL announces their new products in a two-sided poster. These posters are available from your OCL rep. Keep a poster handy as a reminder about our newest products. And here's a view of the backside. Just enough information is provided for understanding product applications and performance. Refer to our specification sheets for abundant detail. Our website, OCL.com, is an extremely intuitive site that automatically scales for use on the smallest smartphone to the largest digital display. Here you see our 5 product categories, including our newest category, acoustic. Please be sure to explore our site, noting our extensive gallery of installation images as well as our product specification support tools. Sometimes, innovative building designs call for creative lighting elements. For example, the designer of this building lobby envisioned a 10-foot tall luminous block. Scale is not a limitation with OCL. With over 45 years of experience in custom lighting, we can design custom solutions that take into account important practical considerations such as transportation, installation, and maintenance, while providing an aesthetic that achieves the designer's vision. And here's another example of a large-scale custom installation. The designer envisioned a series of 30-foot tall cylinders in this atrium. To achieve this look, we designed decorative and structural connectors to join 3 10-foot cylinder sections together. Here's the result. Our custom process is not complicated. By answering a few questions, we can determine the most cost-effective custom or modified standard solutions. In most cases, we can produce a quote knowing the dimensions, shape, finish, output, budget, and schedule constraints. Just start with an idea and communicate your vision to OCL via your rep to get the conversation started. Abstract designs can enhance architectural environments. In this example, the specifier envisioned a lighting element constructed with extruded bronze. We priced out the design in bronze, but the material cost exceeded the budget. So OCL offered an alternative, which involved an advanced paint process that closely matched the appearance of the bronze finish used elsewhere in the project. Here's the takeaway. Envision exactly what would look best in the space and ask OCL to develop a solution that closely resembles your vision, taking into account budget and schedule constraints. Other services that OCL offers include replication and restoration, 2 approaches for making historic fixtures look new again. Replication involves duplicating existing designs through the use of sandcasts, 3D scans, and other techniques. Restoration is a service that is typically used when the existing fixtures have historical significance. Restoration usually involves shipping the fixtures to OCL for disassembly, refinishing, repair, source upgrades, assembly, and testing. So far, we've talked about our custom capabilities. Now let's take a look at our more popular standard products, beginning with large-scale fixtures. OCL has several families of metal rings. Using extruded aluminum, rings can be formed into standard and custom diameters. Solo is a family of rings with a direct or downlight distribution. The housing cross-section is 3 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Twin is a family of rings with indirect, direct, or up-down distribution. The housing cross-section is 3 inches wide by 6 inches tall. As with all of our standard products, we offer a wide variety of standard paints as well as RAL colors. In addition, we offer brushed aluminum as a premium metal finish. Because our metal rings are made of rolled extrusions, we can dial in almost any radius using our automated equipment. This process allows us to produce exact shapes for each section so that we can offer very large-scale rings, ellipses, ovals, and other custom shapes. In this example, we assembled a 20-foot diameter modified twin for testing at OCL. After testing is complete, we disassemble the fixture and pack up individual sections for on-site installation. And here's where that 20-foot diameter twin was installed. It's the little one in the photo. The larger ring is 30 feet in diameter. Assembly and testing at the factory are critical to a successful large-scale installation. The last thing you want when attempting to complete an installation is to find that a section doesn't work or the ends don't align to complete the circle. RO is another metal ring family, which features a 1.5 inch diameter cross-section with a silicone lens facing outward or inward as a modification. Using the same rolling technique as Solo and Twin, RO is available in standard sizes of up to 6 feet in diameter and much larger as modifications. Another standard product is the RO cluster, which is a pre-configured pendant with 3 RO rings supported by a shared canopy. It's a fairly large-scale pendant with 5-foot, 4-foot, and 3-foot RO rings. The main variables for specification are the finish and the overall suspension distance, so it's easy to specify. And installation is easy since the fixture is shipped fully assembled, ready for installation. We have designed unique modifications to RO cluster based on specifier creativity, featuring more rings and larger dimensions. Even unique shapes are possible. Let your imagination run wild and send us your ideas. Another large-scale fixture from OCL features a one-piece acrylic diffuser. Our Loop series features a seamless, rotationally molded diffuser which is fully enclosed to eliminate intrusion of debris. The aesthetic is architectural purity with a slanted outer surface and a curved inner surface. Because the body is acrylic, the price points are lower for Loop than for metal rings, and the delivered lumens per watt are higher, as high as 120 delivered lumens per watt. Loop is a large family with sizes up to 6 feet in diameter, as well as choices in mounting and shrouds. Note that Loop products are all about 12 inches deep, so the aspect ratio changes with diameter. Here's an example of a 24-inch Loop installation in a food service area. Note how it adds brightness without discomfort. To see a sample of the 24-inch Loop, just ask your OCL rep. Here you can see that Loop offers a transitional aesthetic, blending well with this brick and open ceiling architectural space. These 48-inch Loop fixtures provide uniform illuminance at relatively wide spacing. One of the standard options with Loop is the spun aluminum shroud, which comes with either a painted or brushed aluminum finish. There are no visible fasteners or seams. And bring us your modification ideas. In the lower image, we applied a translucent material to the outside of the diffuser for a unique look. Other loop modifications have been done, including the use of full color tuning and white tuning LED systems. As full color and white tuning become more commonplace, OCL will offer these systems as standard options in our current products. As of 2019, most new OCL products are being introduced with standard color tuning options. Glowring is another product family with seamless rotationally molded housings in diameters up to 8 feet. The glow ring form is a familiar ring shape with its 4-inch square cross-section. Note that the acrylic is solid on all 4 sides of the cross-section, making it impossible for any bug or debris to ever become visible on the diffusing surface, ensuring long-term aesthetics. The LED boards are mounted on the top surface of the diffuser, shining light through the contour. Like our loop series, Glowring is a luminous form, lighting the space with comfortable brightness. The drivers may be mounted in a surface canopy or in remote enclosures. Our largest glow ring is 94 inches in diameter, just 2 inches shy of a full 8 feet. Because this fixture is shipped in one piece, the package will require special handling for freight and access to the job site. Once installed, occupants will appreciate the clean, seamless look. In some projects, designers prefer to have the outside surface presented in a painted or brushed aluminum finish. These trims are rolled and welded extrusions, offering a flawless, seamless appearance with no visible mounting hardware. And we offer the same extruded trim for the inside surface. Notice how the trim changes the fixture's appearance. A new feature that is growing in popularity is the addition of acoustic felt on top of glow ring. In addition to adding an element of color and texture to the space, the acoustic felt absorbs sound to reduce ambient noise, which is particularly needed in spaces with hard surfaces. The felt is rated with a noise reduction coefficient of 0.85. Consult our specification sheet for acoustic laboratory test data. We offer 6 colors of felt, providing a seamless, textured appearance in glow ring diameters of up to 4 feet. For diameters of 5 feet and 6 feet, we offer the gray felt, again without seams. However, many other colors are available as modifications. Just ask. In addition to pendant mounting, glow ring is also available for ceiling surface mounting. Extending just over 4 inches off the mounting surface, glow ring ceiling is an excellent choice for low ceilings. As a companion to the glow ring pendants, the same trim options are available for this series as well, in diameters up to 6 feet. And yet another mounting option is available, glow ring recessed. Here you can see that the bottom of the glow ring diffuser is flush with the ceiling plane, creating a 4-inch regressed effect. The center panel of glow ring recessed is actually the bottom panel of the driver enclosure. As a self-contained luminaire, the entire depth of the fixture is only 5.7 inches, suitable for installation in relatively shallow plenums. Normally, the half-inch flange is painted white, but in this example, it was modified to match the black paint finish in the center, accentuating the reveal between the diffuser and the housing. Another modification idea would be to specify an acoustic felt to be installed over the center panel. Again, just ask. So you've seen several larger scale families for consideration. The following slides review some of our most popular smaller scale solutions. Of course, for the complete selection, visit our website at ocl.com. Our Centro family offers high performance, clean lines, and lasting aesthetics. Available in pendant and surface applications, the sleek cast aluminum housing offers a stealthy profile and a robust heat sink. With over 300 LEDs behind the highly transmissive lens, there is no pixelation or LED imaging to detract from Centro's elegance. And to ensure long-term aesthetics, the lens is threaded to make it impossible for bugs or debris to enter the optical chamber. Centro is an excellent choice in food service or healthcare applications as it can be easily wiped down for infection control. Here you can see how sealing surface mount Centro offers a pleasing aesthetic, the perfect companion to the Centro pendant. The Centro sconce works well in both indoor applications or in outdoor applications. Extending only 3.5 inches from the wall surface, Centro offers elegant simplicity. Next, let's take a look at our Royale series. You may recognize the profile of the light engine. Yes, it's our Centro pendant with a crown added, hence the name Royale. The crown creates a more ornate appearance. In this photo, we are showing the cone crown. The other crown option is the dome crown. These crowns simply rest in a centered position on the cast aluminum light engine. And here's yet another product family that uses the high-performance Centro light engine. We call this family Nova. As you can see in the diagram, the cast aluminum light engine is positioned inside the spun aluminum shade. Available in 3 sizes up to 36 inches in diameter, and with the two-tone paint option, specifiers have many choices for personalizing the aesthetic. And with a high-performance heat sink, Nova can deliver up to 11,000 lumens at 100 watts, an economical option for lighting large architectural spaces. For the Nova shades, we offer a large selection of standard paints, as well as a brushed aluminum finish. Here you can see how the white and gold color combination works well in this space, even during the daytime. And as evening approaches, the Nova pendants contribute to the character of the space. Remember the age of linen pleated shades? Well, the look is back with our pleats family. The difference is, this shade is actually a one-piece seamless acrylic diffuser with a solid concave bottom. And the acrylic surface can be easily wiped down. Pleats is available in both pendant and sealing surface mounting applications, all with a 14-inch diameter. The transitional aesthetic of pleats makes it a good choice in healthcare and hospitality applications. The concave bottom of the diffuser creates the illusion of an open shade construction. And because it is fully enclosed, bugs and debris are not visible. Fiore is an extensive product family with a vast array of options. Fiore is the Italian word for flowers, but these fixtures are anything but delicate. The Fiore housings are made from extrusions that are machined or carved into the 4 shapes that you see here. Although the fins on the housing appear to be delicate, they are extremely strong and serve to extract heat from the inside of the fixture. This protects the driver inside the housing. And behind the bezel at the light source is an accessory holder for the use of various clear lenses, color filters, and louvers to change the character of the light output. In addition to pendants, Fiore is available in indoor or outdoor sconces or in surface mounts. There are plenty of choices with the 4 shapes and the wide selection of powder coat paints. Fiore makes a statement in architectural spaces. Notice how the surface mount Fiores are a welcome departure from traditional downlights. Glowstick is a 1.5-inch diameter slender form that can be installed as an individual pendant or in clusters. The 12-inch standard housing directs light from a 9-watt LED through a solid acrylic rod designed specifically to scatter light. The resulting glow resembles the appearance of light passing through water. The acrylic rods come in a range of sizes from 2 inches to 24 inches, with custom lengths available as modifications. Glowstick clusters are available as either standard pre-configured arrangements or as a custom cluster. Standard glowstick clusters are available with groupings of 3, 5, or 7 glow sticks, all supported by a common canopy. For larger scale applications, OCL can work with specifiers to design a custom arrangement, varying the number of glow sticks, suspension distances, housing and acrylic lengths, and the size and shape of the canopy. Cost savings can be achieved with custom clusters by specifying the use of constant voltage drivers that can operate multiple glow sticks, thereby reducing the driver count. Here's an example of a custom cluster with many glow sticks suspended in an open stairway. Here's another view of the installation in this 3-story stairwell. This project features an interesting modification. The glow sticks are operated with DMX drivers and controls that slowly vary the brightness of individual glow sticks, creating a visually interesting effect. The glow stick optic can be used in many creative ways. In this custom installation, the designer envisioned a forest of light. Our engineers designed several independently installed armature pendants that created the desired visual effect. So use your imagination and let us know how we can help transform your ideas into reality. One of our newest product introductions is Glow Ball, designed for similar applications as Glowstick, but with a different form factor. The Glow Ball features a 4.5-inch diameter cast aluminum housing with a frosted silicone diffuser that completes the sphere. To create visual interest, an acrylic internal diffuser is placed over the 8-watt LED source, which can be static white, tunable color, or tunable white. Imagine how this product can be applied in projects as either a standalone pendant or as a custom cluster. Glow Ball offers both visual appeal and functional illumination in a vast range of architectural applications. 2B is another family of pendants with a variety of specification options. 2B has been recently redesigned to offer improved aesthetics, higher efficiency, and lower cost compared to the original design. Now available in diameters of 3 inches, 5 inches, and 7 inches, 2B can be specified with or without integrated LED downlights. Specifiers can choose from static, tunable color, or tunable white systems, and lengths can be modified to suit specific applications. 2Bs arranged in clusters offer a larger scale application of this standard product without the higher cost of custom designs. Here, the 2Bs have been modified with stems supported by a regressed canopy. Another recent product is Quiet. Note the spelling. To absorb the most sound, we maximize the surface area of sound-absorbing felt by arranging the felt panels in a radial pattern emanating from the 3-inch diameter 2B light engine. Note the 3 standard shapes that are available. When the product is shipped, the light engine is shipped separately from the acoustic fins, which are easily installed in the field by the contractor or end user. With the fins in place, the fixture is about 3 feet in diameter. We offer the same 6 standard felt colors as we do with Glow Ring Acoustic, but other colors are available as modifications. Another design option is to specify alternating colors and/or shapes to create a visually interesting modification. Because the fins are easily installed and removed, the end user can continue to make changes to the fin choices as desired. Dash is a linear system based on a 1.5-inch diameter extrusion, which can be ceiling suspended or wall mounted in individual or continuous runs. The family features 2 user adjustments. The direction of the lens can be rotated within the body and secured with an adjustment screw. And in addition, connectors between sections are adjustable, allowing the installer or end user to change the angle between adjacent sections. With the slender profile of Dash and its adjustable cables, interesting arrangements can be created. The wall mount Dash can be used in various applications from lighting merchandise to menu boards, and with the optic rotated upwards, an indirect lighting effect can be achieved. And with the adjustable connectors, adjacent Dash sections can be rotated and pivoted to achieve unique 3-dimensional forms. Larger scale linear configurations can be achieved with Una for direct illumination and with Duo for indirect direct illumination. Both families feature products for suspended, ceiling mount, and wall mount applications. Designers have the flexibility to specify individual fixtures or continuous runs with a choice of corner connectors. Painted and brushed aluminum finishes are standard. Here is a modification of Una featuring both horizontal and vertical corners. OCL's heavyweight extrusions provide the necessary strength to ensure that no twisting or sagging results. Here's another application of a linear configuration. This one features the Duo family with two-direction illumination. Note that the pendant square transitions to a ceiling surface run that connects to the vertical wall mount. All corners and connectors are fabricated at the factory, simplifying installation by the contractor. And designers are not limited to 90-degree corners. We can produce unique corners as envisioned. New products are coming in 2020. While we are in the process of finalizing literature and photometric testing, these products can be specified now. Just ask your OCL rep. Liner is a very slim linear pendant with a 1 3/4 inch square cross-section. Available in individual or continuous runs, Liner features a flexible silicone lens. For long runs, there will be no seam because the lens is shipped on a roll and installed in one piece. The result is a seamless, uninterrupted line of light. Standard LED options include static white, RGBW or full color tuning, and tunable white. Stealth is another new product that is based on the same extrusion used for Liner. Arranged in squares, the Stealth pendant can be in open form or it can support a panel of acoustic felt. Here you see an example of Stealth with a silicone lens facing toward the inside of the square. Other options include the lens facing down or toward the outside. To prevent light leak in the corners, the silicone lens is installed under compression. Acoustic performance data will be provided when the fixture series is launched. Rev is the circular form of Stealth, with the same options for acoustic felt and LED systems. The silicone lens may be specified in either an inward or an outward-facing orientation. As always, OCL can quote modifications of both Rev and Stealth with regard to scale, shape, and mounting. Just ask. Thank you for your interest in OCL's architectural lighting solutions. If you have any questions or are interested in exploring project applications, please don't hesitate to contact us at OCL or your local OCL representative.